Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Friends, welcome to Learn the New Planet channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to create your own font and fix it as default font for your computer. We can see plenty of fonts when we open the Word application. In the font section you can note that some of the specific fonts were stylish and calligraphics. So in this video you could see and understand how to create your own font. To do this you have to Google CALLIGRAPHER.com. The spelling is CALLIGRAPHER.com. So the first result will be that the first step is to fill out the template. Here they has given 3 steps. For that you have to either you can start for free or quick test. I am choosing the quick test for the reference. So the first step is to fill out the form. For that they has given 2 file formats, PDF or PNG. I am choosing the PNG. You can see a file which consists of several boxes and several letters on it. The first thing you have to do is to download this by right clicking and clicking on save image. After downloading, I suggest you to take a printout of this and you use a pencil or a pen, but I am mentioning that you should have to use only black pen to get the better output of this process. So for printing you have to right click and taking the print. After taking the print you have to write and fill out the form. After filling you have to scan it once again. But I am having another way to do this. You can write it by your computer. Right click on open with the paint software so that you could drag your mouse and write it on them. But I will not recommend this because you could get the bad output of this. I am just showing you for your testing. You can try this but not for the default one. So try this for the test. I am trying this E, F and G. So you can see that the G is out of border, so it will never take that as a letter, so that you have to write within the border to get the letter G correctly. Complete these steps and save it as the file. So I am skipping this, and I have took a printout and wrote it on that, and here is the page which has to. So you could see that I has filled everything almost. So I think so it will give a better result. Now I am copying and pasting this in desktop folder so that we could take and upload this easily. Now I am going back to the browser page, and I have to follow the second step to upload the template. To upload this you have to click on the choose file button and it will ask us to upload the file. Select on that and click on the file and click on open, so that the file will start to upload and process this and give us the word, the text file which could be installable in our computer. Click on generate font after once if the file is uploaded completed. Quick test processing. You have to wait for some seconds. Now we have got the output. To download this in your computer, they has given two links, .ttf or .otf. I will suggest TTF as the best format to download. So click on that so that it will start to download. After downloading, open the file and then on the top left you could see the button install. Click on it and click on yes, so that the file will automatically installed. To test this, I am going to open an empty Word page. You can use your own handwriting to make some of the notes on your computer, or else you can use it as some of the assignments that you have to write. So now I'm going to, but you have to name that as calligrapher. Then I'm increasing the font size to 28. Now I am started typing. The link for the website is also given in the description. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Learn the new planet. Click on the like button if you like, and also if you have any doubt, ask it on comment section. Thank you for watching.
Do you want to travel with us for many light years? Then subscribe now.